vlog. Welcome to my guys. So, joke. What's up, guys? So, karon namin kami sa
mag-istorya sila.
kuan. Asa na? Bahala na siya magstorya na siya. Hi.
Baslay Highland Group.
Tara. Namin sa Baslay Highland Brew Coffee. So, it's my first time here. So, among sabot is maligaw ragsapa. However, ila kong gihuktan. Kay, may nag-side comment. Naman nakita sa akong likod, guys. Ayaw ko ito na. Grow.
Ala, karaya, orang-utang. Orang-utang.
Guys, hunaw-na ka ganina. Kanina, hipopotamos na sila kapag nahimo ng grilya. So, yun guys.
Nakauli na siya sa yung malay sa.
So, gi-invite or I'm gonna encourage you to come or to visit Highland Brew Coffee
in Baslay.
in Baslay Dawin because it's proven and tested because here guys, nanasalay award.
Okay lang. Tulo.
Lopez
Ay, duwara.
Achievement Award and
So, baray pa inom ito ko sa kauban. Angon!
Award. So,
baray mong
it
imnon.
means na they save this
Walay
they
suba,
serve
kanal.
galungan ng ako ang kauban. They serve quality coffees and products. So, I really assure nga dili mo magmahay. So, sa mga servadurang guwapa, sa vlogger mo magmahay, sa ginoo ko. Pero anyway, so it's really nice and bugnaw siya. Oh,
For those who are nature lovers.
yes. You must check.
So, yes.
Nature lover ka
Yun,
Yes.
So, agay, nabangga ko sa kahoy sana. Mabangga.
Madam, smile po para
So, yun guys, you can really see that it's native kay na. Nasa lang yung alasan. Sas!
Asalan.
Yes guys, nasa lang alasan.
Asalan.
Asalan, hey!
Yes, guys.
Oh,
Yeah.
yo.
So,
Yes.
yeah. Vlog for more.
Vlog for more. So,
Yes.
lata na. I can really say that, guys. You must try here. So, yun.
So, I told you
Ano
na
pang
mag-ikuto.
Ano pang inaantay nyo? Lata na. Guys, so I'm back. Welcome again to my channel. So karon, as you can see, it's coffee beans. So you could really see sa flip-flop that native jud ang ilang coffee cause sila na po gabulan and then tinanom ra po dire chaks. Dire tatanong. So yes, and actually aside from dira mega sideline
Tano na to
Yo.
ni Tibo din nga.
mega sideline. So ara ina-slide na pud ko. So as you can see na po diri So yun ya. Daghan jud kayo siya and dito pod na dili siya makita, however naadyo dito gihapon. And the furthest dako ay lahang area, you could go up and then parking area is here as well. So as you can see nasa lay banner here, it's padulan gamay. shared service facility for coffee processing Baslay Farmers Association in cooperation with Baslay Farmers Association. So, Baslay logo for Department of Trade and Industry. So, as you can see, it's really ilahadod na product also partner jud sila sa government. So, yun, yaya. Instead of buying imported products, we can really assure that minsan sa ato alang nga product naa po'y same quality. So you could have the same quality in a lower price rather than buying other products or buying imported products from other country with the same service. So as you can see also sa akong likod, nako diri silang lahang bamboo house saksa. And you can see
Kabalo ka gapon nalibog ko ga bamboo house bali or
dili siya makita, but that side is actually dagat na siya. It's overlooking. And then Apo Island, makita nimo siya from here. So yun, if namoy ganahang dalhon nga mag-date try, ka. Perfect view. Hi, welcome to my guys. So it's really nice. I could really assure that napo sila anoon pala isda see. So yeah. Dagan sila. So yeah, see you around. Bye. So, welcome to my vlog. What's up vlog? Welcome to my guys. So, ang ilang gibuhat nako, wa ko nalipay pero na happy ko.
Kawatan siya
na ba ila ko gi butangan og kutsarita kay to biner ko no. May kabawi. Okay ra jud tanan ko, wala ko bawi eh.
Mausig ingon sa TikTok, paalala lang po.
Medyo mahirap siya pero hindi naman
Baslay Highland Brew Coffee, hindi souvenir.
Bitaw guys, so na-prank ko. I mean, ako ilan na pong nabalsan. Mata nagkilid. Then, akong mata ko naskilid. So, yun guys, mamauli na. I mean, mulakaw na may because mata pa may another spot here sa Dawin. So, again guys, I could really recommend you going here to Baslay Highland Brew Coffee. It's really nice and it's really good.
Located sa Dawin.
Dawin because,
I-google mo para.
Oh, you can use Google's map. Oh, so again, oh, look.
Iguli-guli ra.
Nice.
G-O-O
Three. Di ba ko 3 floor? Wala!
Galo.
Guys, ang ilahang bamboo house is 3 floor. Oh, tara. So, yun guys, again. Yun. So, yun. Yun. So, bye!
One eternity later.
Hey, what's up?
Charlie's Angel, sagot. Charlie's Angel. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, Charlie's Angel.
So again guys, what's up vlog? Welcome to my guys. Charot. So, nice ko yun. So, yun, yayay. Na, ito ni siya, nasa sana ito, guys, surya dahil siya. Gani na. Luya na. So, karon from Brewed Coffee, charot, Brewed Coffee. From Holland Brewed, naabot mi diri sa Dam. I'm still here in Dawain. So, yo. Nakadaghang photographer. So, it's a really nice over here. So, as you can see, Dam, and then mountain. So, yeah, it's a mountain. It's a mountain, and it's so nice over here. But unfortunately, guys, you cannot go on this area because it is closed. So you cannot go there and lakaw-lakaw. So only her lang, and yun. So isipon ko kay Apo kaya mo giagdagan. So yeah, yo. Yay!
Since na may income, maglaglaag na lang ni.
Namulong sila og
Nangita mi guys.
Yes, as I said guys, supposed to be na namin taro Cebu. However, however, dili mi pwede makalabang ka basin pagabot na mong Cebu, di namin kabalik Negros. So, guys, tayo nalibang guys, tayo nalibang. Tora, nalibang. So, yay. Nice jud siya. Oh. If you are a nature lover, I really recommend you here. So, dili na siya layo. Actually, Dawin lang siya, guys. So, yun, yay. Nice. And sunset. So, yun. Katulak ko ilong, guys, kay abog kay among dalan. And by the way, guys, pagpaingon dito sa Highland pagpaingon dito, just please be careful or extra careful because ang dalan dili mapasagad, mamaak, joke. Batohon ang dalan, makaingon mo nga ngano ni saya imong motor because it's really batohon, but again it's worth it good guys if ever mabot na mo dito. So yun, bye.
A few moments later.
So what's up vlog? Welcome to my guys. so karon ako kabalong asa di basta dawin gyapon kay lagi magsaysay daw. Look at it's so mountaineering.
Mountaineering.
So what's up guys? It's so mountaineering and mounting. It's so nice. So I think you can do mountain climbing.
Dagan mo kung mga basher.
So it's so mountaineering over there.
Ginagawa mo.
So, yes, what's up, guys, girls?
Uy, pagawatan ng isnang pulutan.
Bitaw. Anyway, yun, yay. So, So yeah, akong ilong ma'am kay murag na nose. Murag na nose akong ilong. Actually, bugno kay dire and then overlooking siya. So yes vlog. So yes vlog. Si dagan kayong tao, may AMBC-NORC family and then other excursionists. Charot lang. So ring.
Oh, really?
Oh, really? It's a really a joke lang. Ay ma'am, yun ako na akong is-vlog kay mag-is-tech ko na me. So, kasi it's so mountaineering and so windy. Asaron. Okay. Guys, as you can, thank you sir sa pag-remind ko kita. And guys, as I said, katong dito mi sa Marindong mag-Valencia, Palinpinon, diba, as I said sa akong other vlog nga, if unsa yung gidala pa yung dito, you must bring it going back. So as you can see here, do not leave your garbage here. So again guys, for us to enjoy this place in a long period of time, dapat be responsible. And for sure, na as you can see, we know that kanin sila dire magdala og plastics and everything. Raymond, or you must bring it going back pakanaog and then throw it in a proper place, charge. So throw it in a proper trash can and then guys, it's so nice nga knowing narap na diri sa Negros, particularly here in Darwin, but as you can see, diba sada? So para pod so moron kita nice yun siya. Asa sir? So niyon si sir, sometimes dako na siya sir. Dako na yung magputulog ka hay dire. What's up? Wala na record. Anyway, as sir said earlier na daw magputulog kahoy dire. So, lain kayo siya paminawan ko. Nice man siya. Nice man siya.
Humot sinog ba?
Humot ko ng sinog ba? To sinog ba utura. So, yes guys, nice siya. However, mayon mo nga, inyong putlon ang mga kahoy. Unsa pa man tayo atong lantawon nga in the first place. Compose man na sa daghang kahoy. So, again,